Gracey,
Stop buying up me now.
what you say?
Stop buying up me name, I'm not dead.
You're not dead? So dead people
Deaf.
name.
Deaf.
Oh,
They
dead.
can't on dead for me for.
Oh. So Gracey, when you cook off at start?
Look here, the cook off is start when it will start.
No, this Saturday. You now work?
Me a gotta work.
And what do you? You know work last week or this week or you day off? You go collect hours.
I get a shift. I pick up a shift. What is the problem?
The cook off is more important.
Oh wow! That me doing my work and making my money?
Of course. So you promise the people them ask about the cook off.
The people them can't wait.
No, you I disrespect that.
No, it's not a matter of disrespect. I don't have any way to run home.
The fool you take your people them for. Actually, you know, say you go get your house whoop your collect.
By who? By who?
Oh, you mean?
By who?
Oh, you mean? Me can't wait. You see how you not stop telling me, oh, me can't cook and me this and me that? I know you hide from me. I hide you now?
No.
Yes, I hide you, I hide.
You will get the cook off in due time. Don't worry yourself.
I hide you, I hide because you're afraid of me. Afraid of me.
You own on Wednesdays, right?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry yourself.
Okay, so Wednesday the cook off?
You don't put no time on no date and no frame pan.
Oh, you mean? So you have to tell the people them ask me.
If them would get it in due time, them come taste it?
Yes. No, but I have to get the taste of them, and you know, I have to set up a table outside and share the food. Them, you have to cook over your yard and carry over the food.
Which is right.
I'm going to set up the table them outside, and I'm going to get the people them from wherever. Maybe my neighbors them, the ones them where, you know, me know. Make them come taste the food. Well, I don't want Jamaican to taste food. I want American to taste food.
You can't want American.
Yeah, no, then we eat anything and say it tastes good. You can't bother.
No, we have to do it.
They don't know when food tastes good. They don't know when Jamaican food tastes good.
Yeah, things like that.
Everything tastes good for them once a Jamaican food.
Right.
So we need real Jamaican to taste it.
Know the quality of the food and know what is the food.
So I'm going to make Mika get our friends them to come taste the food.
Why we will get Mika to get our friend them to come taste the food?
Yeah, because...
And we're not going to use who we did say we are going to
No,
use.
because them know me taste, them know we on different. Me nah go get them, they know we on. I get people when I know we on.
I'm sorry.
Anyways, Gracey, that me call you for say, obviously say you run from me because me not hear you come up with no plan and Thursday me didn't want to go buy. Thursday me didn't want to go buy the meat. A gungo right, a gungo me I go cook. 3 pound of mutton can't taste at 7 pound, 8 pound of mutton.
You think how me a cook for? Eh? No, if you tell long belly people then come and think so me a cook to come with them to come with them.
Me a cook 8 pound of mutton, you can't cook 3 pound of mutton.
Your business.
Alright, so me I buy 4 pound of mutton for you, me I buy 8 pound for me.
Right.
Yeah, because I want at least 10 or 15 people.
How much people are going to taste?
About 10 or 15 people. And me I go cook like 8 pound of rice.
Me don't know about that fast.
Yeah, because you know, me on heavy already. Me can't share a little bit of food put on people's plate.
I don't know about that fast. You think I judge red?
We can't call people, make them drive come and not get belly full. Make them drive come on me yard or come on me yard. And the excitement, me want them to come, me want enough people to come debate on the thing because you take me for fool. You there? You there? Me pathetic. I'm not pathetic.
No, you're pathetic.
I'm never afraid. No, seriously, me I get an army.
No, seriously.
No, it's true. It's an army. Me I get me I buy 8 pound of goat. 8 pound of me I go on the farm go buy the goat. No, honestly, 8 pound of goat me want. And me I cook gungo rice and peas. And some raw veg and some steamed veg. So we have to cook the same thing. We have to cook the same thing. You have to cook gungo rice and peas. No yam and no banana and no dumpling. And everybody like that. Rice and gungo we are cook. Remember that. So So if a Wednesday I come, let me know because me and send go get the goat.
Just get the goat for me. You know what yourself about that.
But we have to know so we can tell the people them. You see, a peer go around, she go around me, you know.
Get the goats.
Peer go around, she go around me. Joke thing in the pan.
Whether I joke or it's serious, it a go cook.
Yeah, take too long. Me just feel like, yeah, boy, cut the thing.
You know me after work, you know me move. I me just get myself settled. Me not even done it, I know the sex me no gone in the house because it's too big and the man say I broke it down and carry it back.
Yeah, there.
And take it over Shalice because we done clean up over Shalice yesterday.
Yeah, there.
I went about night, Dana.
Both night or Friday.
Friday night?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're